Hello there, I am Tabitha Brown. I am a vegan and I am a foodie. I do a little cooking and things, but I'm an actress, I'm an author. We are headed to the Whole Foods that really changed my life, right? I always kind of go over here where I used to drive Uber and drop somebody off over there one day. And I went in and got me a vegan breakfast sandwich called a TTLA. And I did a video about it, and that sandwich went viral, and that's the sandwich and time that changed my life. So I always kind of go over here and take a little trip down memory lane. After literally every day having a headache, every day for a year and 7 months, the first 10 days of going vegan, my headache disappeared. And I was like, uh-oh, I'm on to something. Okay, Tab. Well, I think the first thing is always start with your why. Like, why do you want to be vegan? Don't think of it as, oh, I'm taking something away from myself. More so, I'm giving myself something new, so you don't feel like you're missing something. And then try to find your favorite non-vegan items. Try to find the vegan recipe for that. So you don't, feel like, oh, Lord, I ain't never going to have my favorite thing again. Yeah, you can. Just make it vegan. So those are my tips.